Hello and welcome. So today we're going to do some EFT tapping for obsessive compulsive disorder. So as always, get yourself in a comfortable position and make sure you are well hydrated, and we will get started. So go ahead and place your hand on your chest, and I want you to go ahead and think about these obsessive thoughts, these obsessive behaviors, and just kind of get in that mind space before we begin tapping. So just take a deep breath in, out. Thinking about what it is that you're constantly doing, constantly thinking about, that might bring you some fear, some worry, some anger. So it's just really good to get in that mindset before we begin. And when you are ready, you can either pause this if it just takes you a little bit longer, or you can go ahead and get started. We're going to start tapping on the side of the hand. So all you're going to do is just tap where I tap, repeat after what I say. It's best to be specific, so if you want to change the wording around a little bit more to be specific to what you're going through, go for it. If not, just go ahead and tap where I tap and repeat after me. Even though I struggle with obsessive compulsive behavior, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I feel my life is being held back by these obsessive compulsive thoughts and behaviors, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though these obsessive compulsive thoughts and behaviors fill me with fear, worry, anxiety, I choose to love and accept myself. Struggling with obsessive compulsive behavior. All these thoughts and behaviors holding me back, causing me anxiety and worry, even causing me fear. Feeling like my life is stuck in an endless cycle, unable to move forward, stuck in a loop of compulsive thoughts and behaviors. Constantly struggling with this obsessive compulsive disorder. And it makes me angry, because I just want to feel normal. I want to act normal. But these thoughts and behaviors are controlling my life. I can't go anywhere or do anything without these thoughts or behaviors interrupting. I try not to do them. I've tried so many things to stop myself from doing them. That just gives me more anxiety, more worry. Feeling like I'm going to explode if I just don't do them. Feeling like something's going to go wrong if I don't do them. Just feeling like my life is being controlled by these behaviors and thoughts. Every day is a constant battle. Every day I try to stop them. But it seems like no matter what, I can't stop them. These thoughts and behaviors controlling my life. And I'm just so tired. I'm so tired of these thoughts and behaviors. So tired of living in fear and worry. And I'm so angry that I have these things that control my life. I see everyone else going on their normal way. And here I am stuck with these obsessive thoughts and behaviors. And it's so frustrating. And it's really debilitating. being controlled by these thoughts and behaviors. I choose to release these emotions. I choose to release these emotions. These thoughts and behaviors, they do not control me. I'm sick of living in fear and I'm ready to make it end. So I choose to release these compulsive thoughts and behaviors. Free myself from them. Break the tie that has been holding me down. I'm ready to release my thoughts. Ready to release myself from these behaviors. And I choose to set them free. Because I have control over my mind. I have control over my body. And I choose to release these thoughts and behaviors. It might take some time. Because now I'm stuck in a rhythm. But I am capable of breaking free from this cycle. Freeing myself from these behaviors and thoughts that have been holding me back. Because it's safe to break from these thoughts and behaviors. Nothing will go wrong if I don't complete these thoughts and behaviors. So I'm freeing myself of these thoughts and behaviors. It's safe to free myself from these thoughts and behaviors. Lift the weight of these thoughts and behaviors from me. And allow myself to rise. It's safe to release these thoughts and behaviors. It's safe to free myself of these thoughts and behaviors. These thoughts and behaviors that have been holding me back. I'm ready to release them. I'm ready to control my mind and my behaviors. No longer doing me any service. So I'm ready to release them. I'm ready to release these thoughts and behaviors. These thoughts and behaviors that are holding me back. And it's safe to free myself from these thoughts and behaviors. Nothing will go wrong. Life will go on. So it's time to release these thoughts and behaviors. Go ahead and grab your wrist, take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Now I just want you to kind of feel again those thoughts and behaviors. Just kind of shake them. Again, deep breath in. And out. Go ahead and feel again, put your hand on your chest and think about those thoughts and behaviors that are controlling you. Just think of how you feel about them now when you think of them. Maybe it feels a little less anxious, a little less fearful. If so, you can go ahead and stop this practice. If not, go ahead and repeat. And like I said, it's really great to be specific. So if there is a specific thought that you are always thinking or behavior that you always have to do, go ahead and tap on those specific thoughts and behaviors. As always, I hope this video was helpful for someone out there. If it was, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be back to share more videos with you guys again soon. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos.
Also, check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.